If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's radio setup, the Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit is worth considering. This kit offers a fast and reliable way to convert from DIN to 2-shaft, making your installation process smooth and hassle-free. Designed to fit precisely in the OEM radio mounting location, this turbo kit ensures a perfect, factory-like finish. It eliminates the guesswork and frustration that often comes with aftermarket radio installations, giving you confidence that your new system will look and function just right. One standout feature is the patented sidearm support system. This clever design provides extra stability and support for your radio, preventing any wobbling or misalignment over time. It's a simple innovation that makes a big difference in durability and overall fit. Constructed from high-grade ABS plastic, the kit combines strength with lightweight convenience. This material resists wear and tear, so your installation stays solid and looks sharp even after months of use. Customers across the United States have praised this kit for its reliability and ease of use. One user mentioned it worked perfectly and planned to buy another for a second vehicle, highlighting the product's consistent quality and value. Shipping was timely, and the price was reasonable, making it a practical choice for anyone upgrading their sound system. Another reviewer noted how well it fit their truck and appreciated the extra pieces included in the kit. These extras offer added flexibility, allowing you to customize the installation to your specific needs without hassle. If you want a professional-grade solution that delivers what it promises, this turbo kit is a solid pick. It saves time, fits perfectly, and supports your radio securely, exactly what you need for a clean, reliable upgrade. Worth a look if you're ready to enhance your vehicle's audio setup with a product that's proven to work. Try it when you're ready and experience a smooth installation that feels built to last.